Imagine this, you are parked under the vast starlight sky away from the world's noise with everything you need right in your new camper van. The 2025 Kia camper van isn't just a vehicle, it's your ticket to freedom, to living off-grid in style. We will unpack everything that makes this van your ultimate off-road companion, from its unbeatable design to the cutting-edge tech and hidden details you will want to know about before you buy. Buckle up because this adventure ride is packed with surprises. This isn't your typical family van. Kia's 2025 camper van is crafted for exploration with a rugged, commanding exterior that screams, "I am here to conquer." High clearance wheels, reinforced panels, and sleek LED headlights make it just as eye-catching as it is functional. You might even catch yourself whispering, "Is this a transformer or just my new ride?" But don't worry, this one won't shift into a giant robot unless, of course, that's on your wish list. Imagine pulling up to your campsite, people stopping, heads turning, wondering who is that rolling up. It's all about presence, and this camper has plenty. But wait, there's more beneath that sleek design. You won't believe what they have packed inside. Stepping inside the 2025 Kia camper van feels like entering a luxury suite, but in the middle of nowhere. The van's interior is designed to make off-grid feel like first class. Spacious, multifunctional seating that converts into a cozy bed, retractable workspaces, and even climate control tailored for all seasons. Are you hearing this? Climate control in a camper van. Everything is designed with comfort and utility in mind. And the best part, this is all within reach without ever stepping into civilization. The setup practically begs you to stay out just a little longer, to make every weekend a mini escape. Now let's talk about what powers this beauty, and you will love it. Alright, here's where Kia breaks the mold. They didn't set up for a standard van engine. This camper is built with a turbocharged hybrid engine designed to take you as far off the beaten path as you dare to go. With impressive torque and all-wheel drive, this van tackles rough terrains like it's a Sunday stroll. And here's where something worth considering. That hybrid powertrain isn't just eco-friendly, it's economical. So while you are out there living your adventure, you are saving on fuel cost too. Plus a quick recharge option means you are not stranded if you decide to go even deeper into the wilderness. But what if you want to bring a few toys along for the ride? Well, let's see what it can handle. Need to haul your dirt bike, kayak, or maybe even a small trailer? Kia's got you covered. The 2025 camper van offers a towing capacity that outshines most camper vans in its class. We are talking about 3,500 pounds of towing power, which means you are free to bring your off-road toys or extra camping gear. So go ahead and load up. It's time to make those adventure dreams a reality. But as we all know, adventure comes with risk, which brings us to something Kia has nailed on this van, keeping you safe on the road. Let's face it, exploring off the grid can be a nerve-wracking as it is exciting. But Kia has equipped this van with next-level safety features that will put even the most anxious adventurers at ease. From lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control to blind spot monitoring, the 2025 Kia camper van is practically watching your back at all times. And if you are thinking, does this thing drive itself too? You are not too far off. With the autonomous emergency braking system and stability control, it's like having a co-pilot that never blinks. So whether you are winding through mountain roads or dodging city traffic, Kia has your back. Ready for some tech that will keep you connected no matter where you are? Here where things get sci-fi. This camper van is designed to keep you connected no matter where your journey takes you. Built-in satellite connectivity, a robust infotainment system, and even smart home compatibility. It's like bringing your smart home along for the ride. And if you are working remotely, you can seamlessly transition from the campsite to the conference room. But hold on, what about power? When you are deep in the wild, this van got a solar power setup that keeps your essential running. So when we say off-grid, we mean it. Now, there's just one thing left to cover, what it will take to make this adventure ride yours. Now let's talk number. Kia offers this camper van with various trims tailored for both serious adventurers and those looking for occasional getaways. Whether you want the basic or the full works, there's a price point that makes it attainable for just about any adventure ready budget. And trust me, every trim is designed to make off-grid feel like like home. So, are you ready to leap? Imagine yourself out there, just you, the road, and the van, ready to conquer whatever comes next. And when you are prepared to compare it to other 2025 adventure rides, click through to our next video on the 2025 Honda Fit to see how it stacks up. For even more off-road magic, don't miss our in-depth review of the 2025 Honda Fit. Check it out here on the end screen.